Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all students and parents. Hope you all are fine. Firstly, we are going to start our English work. Slot 2, Day 5, Book page number 8, Workbook page number 9.
Now we are going to start English reading book. Turn page number 8. Look and say which letter? F. F says F flag. F flag. What is the color of our flag? Green and white. Green and white. Next picture is figs. F figs. F figs. F fire. F fire. Next picture is fan. F fan. F fan. Next picture is fox. F fox. F fox. Next picture is frog. F frog. F frog. Now look at the lower part. Which things are used in summer? Tell me. Fan, heater, air conditioner. Which things are used in summer? Fan and air conditioner. Take care. Practice writing F. Hold your pencils and write F. Join the dots one by one. Write capital F and small f also. Alhamdulillah.
Now take out your English workbook, page number 9.
Write and color. Today I will tell you how to write A, B, C and D. A says A, apple. B says B says B, banana. B, banana. C says C, computer. D says D, dolphin. D, dolphin. Hold your pencil. I will tell you how to write A. We will write A in these two middle lines. Firstly, make a half circle like C in these two middle lines. Then close it by straight standing line outward till second line. Then curve it. Which letter? A. A says A. A says A. After A, we will write B. Firstly, make a straight standing line in first three lines. Then make a half circle like this. B. B says B. B says B. B, banana. B, banana. After B, we will write C in these two middle lines. Look at the dot. Touch the line. Curve, make a half circle in these two middle lines. Okay. What comes after C? D. C ka computer. Next D. First you make a half circle in these two middle line. Then close it by our straight standing line till first line. Then curve it. D. D says D, dolphin. D, dolphin. Follow this pattern and complete your full page. Read phonic poem. Read the phonic poem with your teacher and friends. A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, doll. Okay, now look at the pictures. What is this? Apple. Apple. Hold. Red color. First we make dark outline. Like this. Light color inside. Hold your color like this, okay? What is this? Apple. Apple. Next, take green color. First we make dark outline in leaf. Then light color inside. Like this. Then take brown color. Done. What is this? Apple. Apple. Next, what is this? Banana. What is this? Banana. Take yellow color. Firstly make dark outline like this. Then light color inside. Banana. Banana. Done. What is this? Computer. Take gray color. Firstly make dark outline. Then light color inside. Like this, okay? What is this? Computer. 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 Next, what is this? Dolphin. Hold your sky blue color like this and make a dark outline. The light color inside. Like this, okay? What is this? Dolphin. Dolphin.
Now we are going to start our maths work. Slot 2, day 5, workbook page number 11.
Shapes. Cube. Firstly, I will tell you a very interesting story. Look at the picture. Who's here? Bilal and his father. Bilal's father is a very kind man. Bilal loved his father a lot. He and his father give gifts to the poor children. Look at the picture. Wow! His father give gifts to the poor children. They are all very happy. Do you know Allah likes us when we make others happy and give us more? Okay, students, tell me, should we help poor people? Yes or no? Yes. Hold your pencils and take here. Yes. Look at here. What is the shape of gift? Cube. What is the shape of gift? Cube. Okay. Color the cubes pink. Take pink color. We will color the cubes pink. First we make dark outline. Then light color inside. Which shape? Cube. Which shape? Cube. First you make dark outline. Like this. Then light color inside. V shape cube. V shape cube. Okay, dear students, color only cube shape. Okay, color also here and here. When you finish your work, then what will you say? Alhamdulillah.
Now let's start our Urdu work. Then 5 बुक सफ़ा नंबर 33, वर्कबुक सफ़ा नंबर 12 और 13. ना उर्दू कायदा खोलें. सफ़ा नंबर 33. गाफ, गाफ गा गुड़िया, गाफ गा गमला, गाफ गा गदा. Again, गाफ, गाफ गा गुड़िया, गाफ गा गमला, गाफ गा गदा. अच्छा बच्चों, मुझे बताएं बोझ किस पर लादा जाता है? गाफ गा गधे पर. गधे पर टिक का निशान लगाएं. नाउ टेक आउट योर उर्दू वर्कबुक, सफ़ा नंबर 12. अपना काम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम से शुरू करें और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पर ख़त्म करें. शिनाख्त करें और रंग करें. आज हम लिखेंगे गाफ. फर्स्टली मेक स्टैंडिंग लाइन, a small curve, sleeping line, again curve to upward and a small standing line. Gaf. Now 2 slanting line on the upward. Gaf, gaf ga gada, gaf ga gudiya, gaf ga gajar, gaf ga gada, gaf ga gudiya, गाफ गा गाजर. Now turn your page. अपना काम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम से शुरू करें और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पर ख़त्म करें. शिनाख्त करें और लिखें कि क्या लिखा हुआ है बच्चों? गाफ, गाफ गा गोभी. Now let's start writing गाफ. Firstly, make a standing line, a small curve, sleeping line and a small standing line upward. Now make slanting lines. गाफ. दोबारा लिखें गाफ, गाफ. दोबारा लिखें गाफ. फर्स्टली मेक स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन एंड अ स्मॉल स्टैंडिंग लाइन अपवर्ड. स्लैंटिंग लाइंस. गाफ, गाफ के ऊपर 2 डंडे. ओके, दोबारा लिखें गाफ. गाफ गा गोभी. राइट अगेन ऑन लेस डॉट्स. दोबारा लिखें बच्चों गाफ. गाफ के ऊपर 2 डंडे. ओके, अगेन फर्स्टली मेक स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन एंड अ स्मॉल स्टैंडिंग लाइन अपवर्ड. गाफ, गाफ के ऊपर 2 डंडे. दोबारा लिखें गाफ. राइट अगेन गाफ. Come to the next line. Again write गाफ. गाफ के ऊपर 2 डंडे. गाफ का गुड़िया. गाफ गा गोभी. गाफ गा गाजर. गाफ गा गधा. दोबारा लिखें गाफ. दोबारा गाफ. गाफ के ऊपर 2 डंडे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा काम यहाँ पे ख़त्म हुआ जाता है. से अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. अल्लाह हाफिज़.